Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Ahn Co. It's Friday, February 21st. I'm going to go over the markets for the day and week with you. So a little bit of weaker tone, and really when you look across the board, grains, meats, outside markets all had a weaker tone when you look at it. We started off the day with enthusiasm, though, for the grain markets, and it just petered throughout. So you kind of had mixed trade, right? You had Outlook Forum come out with their carryout levels forecasted for next year. It was friendly for soybeans, friendly for wheat, negative for corn. Exports sales came out. It was friendly for corn, negative for soybeans, negative for wheat. And so you got that mix of information that kind of just stuck this market in a rut. You tried to get beans up and running here, got above that $9 level, and then just couldn't hold. After being up 10, ended up closing down 2.5 cents for soybeans. Corn market down 1.5 pennies, closing right on the support line on March futures of 377. Wheat market was all a little bit lower here too. Chicago wheat down 9 cents, Minneapolis down 4.5, Kansas City down 5.25. When you look at it overall of the week, corn market does not really get anywhere, down 3/4 cent. Soybeans down 3.25. Chicago wheat was the one that was able to really build off some support from Australian crop problems, and then also the thought that China would have some demand show up 8.25. Minneapolis wheat down 0.5 cent, and then Kansas City was up 3 cents. So overall, we're just not really getting anywhere, kind of stuck in a rut. Chicago March corn is just not really moving anywhere. It's stuck in this range. So we need some sort of information. You kind of got those hints of friendly information for all these markets today, but it also was paired up with a little bit of negative. What we really could use is the export sale, a private estimate come out here, and we just haven't seen that for a while. When you look at meat markets, like I said, everything was lower on the side. Feeder cattle down 60 to $1.37.5. Live cattle down anywhere from 30 to 90 cents. Lean hogs mixed with its front month being up 15, but the rest of the contracts were down quite a bit. When you look at the big picture, feeder cattle up $1.67.5, live cattle down $1.10, and you had some support show up into the hog markets, though that is more of a contract switch from Feb to April. When you look at that, cash trade came in at 120 live, 190 dressed, and that's $1 higher than last week. So overall, it was pretty much a quiet week. So we'll see what next week brings. Hopefully, we can get some more details for China or some private sales to be announced. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading futures and option involves risk loss and is not suitable for all producers. This is a solicitation. Have a great day.